All right, I'm here with
All right.
Natalie, and today we're going to show you what the Bangalore office looks like.
All right, let's go.
With over 1,000 square meters of co-working space, the phData India headquarters is centrally located in Bangalore, just off MG Road with the Trinity Metro station only 100 meters away. This is so much more than a traditional office. It's a hub where creativity, collaboration, and the occasional epic ping pong match all happen under one roof. Our co-working floor is ready for up to 100 people, but don't be surprised if you find even more here when we're hosting a user group, diving into our annual company kickoff, or getting together for one of our famous community lunches. In between the brainstorming and deadline crushing, you'll discover comfy lounges, quiet meeting rooms, and plenty of spaces to catch up with teammates, or just recharge. Even though we're a remote-first company, the Bangalore office is a favorite working spot for phData folks. Whether you enjoy sunrise chai tea with a colleague from our roof deck, or deep work in one of our many meeting rooms, there's something for everyone at our Bangalore office.
So that's it. That's the Bangalore office in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed.
Awesome.